In this video, I will show you how to use AI reply suggestions on X. First, launch open the X app on your device, sign into your account. Now open any post that you'd like to reply to. Then tap on this reply option. If AI reply suggestions are available for your account, you will see an AI or sparkle icon near the reply box. Tap on it to generate suggested reply based on your post. X will display several AI-generated reply options. You can select one as it is or edit the text to make it more personal before posting. Once you're happy with your reply, tap on the reply option to publish it. If you don't see any AI reply option, make sure that X app is updated to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for X. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Also keep in mind that AI features may only be available in certain regions to eligible accounts or with specific X subscription plans, so the feature may not appear for everyone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.